10 counties ikwayo mondo nywak lwedo e duoko piny kwan mar mine ma wito ngimagi e seche ma gidhi nyuol kod nyithindo matho e seche ma inyuologi. Kaluwore kod nonro mogol e machiegni ni, piny Kenya lalo mine maheo 5,000 higa ka higa matho e seche mag nyuol, ka nyithindo 92 bende tho pile ka pile seche mag nyuol, ka gigo makelo thoe makamagi inyalo geng'. Joyce Oduor nigi ler mathoth.
Kuom thuolo mar ndalo adek koro, jotelo mochung' ne sekta mar thieth mawuok e counties mopogore opogore osebedo ka romo mar poro wach ewi kaka ginyalo ting'o malo sekta mar thieth. Wach maduong' monyiedhore lela e kinde romono en mar thoe mar mine e kinde ma ginyuol e counties, ka counties 20 nigi achiedh nade maduong' mar duoko piny thoe makamagi.
We lose 5,000 women every year to pregnancy-related complications. Those are 15 fully loaded planes crashing every year. That's a plane every month carrying 340 women, and on some months there are 2 of them. And we move on like nothing happened.
Every 2 minutes we lose a woman due to preventable deaths globally. Every 2 hours we lose a woman in this country. And yet 70% of these deaths are preventable. So as Luala, we are on a mission to reduce maternal mortality and child mortalities as well as morbidities.
Kwan makamagi keto elela achiedh nade manitiere pachoka mar duoko piny thoe mag mine ma inyalo geng'a.
Every day we lose 92 newborns. People who have not started life are lost. The reason all of you are here is because you didn't die as newborns. So it's as if a whole generation disappears. Every day a whole generation gone.
Kaluwore kod jolony e sekta mar thieth, masira mar lalo nyithindo gi mine owinjo tiek nyadichiel, to ma nyalo mana timore ka tudruok makare nitiere e kind sirikal mamalo kod 10 counties.
We need to get champions and support for these champions on the ground, because not everybody is very interested. Everybody has their own interests. But if you can get people who can champion this process in your counties and actually support them through that process.
That from a 50 million population and about 1 million births every year, this country has less than 50 neonatal ICU beds. And out of all those, 2 are in a county setup. Ngapi? 2. The rest are level 6. Please think about that.
Question of ambulances. Why should a woman in Kajiado die because the ambulances there were all engaged, yet there is an idle ambulance in Machakos, and the difference between Machakos and Kajiado is a road? You get? Or you have blood. We are looking for blood group B positive and we can't find it in Kiambu. And our neighbors in Murang'a probably have 20 pints of that blood.
Sirikal mamalo kotelne kod jagoro mongirore e migao mar thieth Dr. Ouma Oluga oyango ni dwaro nitiere mar medo kwan jochiw thieth.
Colleague CCs, just invest just a little. I know that it's a very difficult discussion sometimes in the counties because you have this ceiling around equitable share, but somehow we must make the case about the numbers for health workers, just numbers, the adequacy, because you cannot have one nurse taking care of 14 units. It's not possible.
Mano 10 counties bende okwa mondo ochiw tiegruok makare ne mine mapek mondo gibed kod ng'eyo ewi ber mar dhi e klinik e seche magipek. Joyce Oduor, Ramogi TV.